What's up guys, it's Emily. So right now I'm going to be doing an how-to video for you guys. Now a lot of you guys have requested this how-to video, and pretty much this how-to video is going to be how to contour and highlight your face. I have got many requests on how I contour and highlight my face. A lot of you guys seem to like how I do it, and you know, everybody does it different, but I'm going to be showing you guys step by step with like a clear face like right now to the point where it's contoured. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. Comment what you guys think of this how to contour, and let me know if you guys do anything different with your contour routine. So without further ado, let's get this started. This is going to be a talk through, run through of the contour. So pretty much what I like to do first is put some intense skincare repair. I do have really bad dry skin right now, and my skin is really rough. So I usually like to moisturize my face thoroughly. I go to one side to the next. I even go down my neck because of how dry it gets. Moisturize everywhere, guys. Like, I personally don't like to put primer on. It's just not for me. I just feel like a grease ball, to be honest with you. So then I wipe it on my hands and then go into circular motions with my face. Make sure I'm getting like any creases and things like that. Make sure it's like fully blended out. So now you guys can see my face looks so much better. It looks very hydrated and not dry. So then what I like to go in with is my Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. And I like to put it all over my face. Guys, I highly suggest this foundation. Like, it smells amazing, and I'm not just saying that. Like, it's so good. Okay. My hands are still like slippery. Okay. So now we're gonna put this on our face with my beauty blender. Personally, this is how I like to do it, guys. I usually put my foundation. I don't just... Sometimes, if you guys wanted me to do a natural, the way I do it without foundation and all that, I could definitely do that too. I do put foundation on my eyes too. I know that's weird to some people, but personally I like to. In with my Mario facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This thing is my baby, so I like to usually spray my face to give it more of a glow, hydrated look. And then I go back in with my beauty blender and just damp that into my skin lightly. Next thing I like to do is go in with my ColourPop concealer, and I usually like to put this on the base of my under eyes where my dark circles are and the base of my lids. And I put a little bit. And then I pretty much go around my eyebrow. In the middle of my forehead. with the contour. Now personally, I don't like liquid contour. I like the powdered. I tried liquid contour and personally it's just not for me. I did buy a liquid contour because I wanted to see how it would do a difference. And personally I didn't like it, so I personally prefer the powder. So I use my NYX Palette Professional Highlight and Contour Palette. And obviously you guys can tell this is my favorite for contour. So I go in, so I have 3 different brushes, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys where I got these and all that good stuff. So this is my contour brush where you pretty much sculpt your face where you want to contour. This is a highlight brush where you want to highlight. And then this is the blending brush to blend out the contour. So these 3 babies I got are NYX brushes, and these are my babies. When I say my babies, these are my favorite brushes to use to contour my face. Especially this one, the contour brush. You literally just sculpt your face around and things like that. So that's what we're going to start off with right now. So I go lightly in with some, and I blow it. Then I'm going to sculpt my nose like that. Now I go all the way to the bottom to give it like a curve. Okay. Then I go to the other side and do the same thing. Now I have a very wide nose, so I go move up a little. Like that. Now you notice guys that some plots are darker than others, and that's okay. So that's how I do my nose. So now we're going to move on to the face. So I start off with my forehead, and I don't have a big forehead thankfully, but I still like to contour my forehead just to give it that nice color, like that tannish color. Then I usually like to rub it in on my forehead as I'm going, like that. Then I move my way down. Now, some people like to attach from the top to the bottom. Personally, I just like to move to my cheeks. Now, some people make faces. I already know where my cheekbones are, though, where I usually contour. So then, if you have a fat head like me, or a double chin like me, I usually like to go down to my jawline and just sculpt out that part. And then I like to go like that. Okay. So that's how I usually do it. And then, yeah, so this is how my face looks contoured. Okay, so personally, I used to not like putting baking powder, but lately I've been really liking it, so this thing is messy though. Okay. So what I like to do is go in with a big fluffy brush and make sure I got enough. And I like to bake my face, if you guys. Now it doesn't matter how much you put because it's going to be coming off anyways. But to bake your face, it's definitely good. Personally, I don't do this all the time. I just do it when I feel like I need good baking to set my face. So if you guys are wondering what I use the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. and I got this from the drugstore. So it doesn't matter, you know, how much you put, because it's just gonna be wiped off after. So okay, so now my face is done baking, so we're just gonna wipe up any baking powder. Okay, now we're gonna start blending out the contour. Now I don't put my highlight on when I'm blending because it kind of takes away the glow. So I like to blend out my contour. Now I go in circular motions and I hold like the very end of the brush and go in circular motions. Then we're going to move our way up. Circular motions, guys. Make sure you go in circular motions. I'm telling you, it's the key to getting a nice contour. Even if your arm starts hurting, I'm telling you, it's worth it. Sorry, my hair is all over my face. Circular motions, that's the key. Okay guys, so my face is contoured, you guys can tell. Personally, this is how I like to contour my face. So the next thing I go in with is my highlight. My all-time favorite highlighter, I don't care, my heart sticks with this one, is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter. This is my favorite one. I've restocked so many times. So I go in with my highlighting brush, lightly go in with the highlight like that, and then I bring it up right there. That's where you want your highlight. Now personally, I like a lot to give myself a nice glow. And then I go to my nose and do the same thing. Don't worry guys, I'm not gonna look like a damn glow stick. And then I go to my upper eyebrow, above my eyebrow, just to give myself a little highlight. And then by Cupid's bone. Okay. And then I go back in with my blending brush. Just blend it away lightly. Like, I usually like to use the end of it. That way it doesn't fully blend out the highlight to where it doesn't go, like, doesn't glow, if that makes sense. So guys, I just want to show you guys the highlight, how good it is. So guys, this is the end of how to contour. I hope this helps you guys learn how to contour, and this is my easy way of contouring, to be honest with you. I love how I do it. I am not obviously an MUA, a professional MUA, but this is just how I like to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys want to know the products I use. I will put them down below. And yeah, I hope this helped you guys learn how to contour, because I know some people just, you know, have a hard time with learning how to contour. Like, they want to make it look nice. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.